so that these are temporary numbers. These are temporary numbers. Okay, all right. And now you can see how I want to take your row numbers. Okay. Now, for example, so this is your table. Okay. Already having some rows and 14 rows are there. Now I need to apply row num to ename from EMP table. So now see your row num pseudo column automatically generated your row numbers. How many row numbers? 14. So automatically it will be generated. So but these numbers, whatever it was generated on each row wise, these numbers are not a permanent. Why? Because as per this query, your row numbers are these are. Suppose my query request will change. Suppose I'm changing my query request. What it was happening, you can see from the table name is what now? EMP. So where DPT number is equals to 10. If I was given my query in a different way, if I use my row numbers will change here. Previously, clerk, okay, the clerk was showing how much number? 7 in the previous query. Okay, but present 1. In the previous king is a ninth position. Now second. In the previous query Miller 14. Now 3. Now tell me your row nums permanent or temporary? Temporary. So as per your writing of query request, your row nums automatically change. Understand now? Write down below.
करो ना, गेट खोल के आ जाती हूँ। हाँ तो गेट बंद कर दिया करो ना, और गेट बंद करके जाना। गेट ही खोल के चली जाना।
Okay, this is row numbers how to generate. But the purpose, what is the purpose of row num? Okay, now takes how I can use it this. The basically row num pseudo column we are using. There are two reasons we are using here. Okay, one is to perform. Okay, to perform top. Okay, to perform top n operations, and next one to find nth, to find nth positions. Okay, now so these are the two things when you want to do on my table data to perform top n operations, otherwise to finding of your nth position of rows. So in this cases, row num is help us. Okay, now top n and nth rows. Nth position, nth position rows. Okay, right. So let me see. I will show you some examples on this. What is top n and what is n? Okay, right. Write a query to fetch the first row employee details from EMP table by using row num. Okay, so I want to fetch my, okay, the first row employee details from your EMP, but how I can do by using of row num. So let me come. So come out and see my tables here. This is our working table EMP. And I wanted my first row employee details I need to fetch. Understand now? Ah. So how I can fetch means select a star from EMP where what is my condition here? My condition row num is equals to 1. Row num is equals to 1. When I just give it now, and which row you got it? First position row. So n is equals to 1. The first position row you got it. Okay, write down. Right. And the next one, same as, suppose if I'm asking to you to fetch the second, okay, the second position row, the second position row from EMP table by using of row num. Okay. Write down how to write now the second position row I want to fetch. How to write? Row num is equals to 2. Write down. Okay. Clear all of you? Ah. So now I want to execute this. What it was show? No rows. Now below write down no rows selected. Right now. Okay, right. So here observe. When I use row num is equals to 1, I got it my result. But when I use row num is equals to 2, what it was showing to me? No rows are selected. And not only row num is equals to 2, even though, for example, suppose I wanted row number, the fifth position row I wanted. So fifth position row means who is this? Martin. I was given like row num is equals to 5. What it was happening, you can see. Like I can give it the 10th position of row. But when I was given first position of row, so first position of row num is equals to 1, it was working and retrieving your first row. But from the second onwards, like row num 2, 3, 4, 5, like this, it's showing what now? No rows are selected. So why, sir? And what is the reason behind this? Okay, now? Actually, the reason is what now? Carefully observe. What is the nature of row num? Means that the row num is always starts with 1 for every selected row. For example, in my first example, I want to fetch the first row employee details by using row num. So that means my row num, when I was apply on this, which row I want to select it? First row. So that's why row num is equals to started from 1 here. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, like it will generate it. So that's why my condition is what now? Row num is equals to 1. 1 is equals to 1. Both are matching. That's why first row will be retrieval. But the second row, the second example, what I'm asking, second example, row, second position row I wanted by using of row num. So second position row you wanted. That means your selected position row. Which row? Second row. Speak out here. Don't sit like calmly. Huh? Ah. So your position, which position? Second position. That means your selected row is second row. So from there, if you want to start row num, from there it will start at what now? 1. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. That's why when I was use row num is equals to 2, but here it will be show what? 1. So 1 is equals to 2. Condition true or false? That's why showing no rows. And next I'm asking, fifth position of row I'm asking. That means my selected row is 5. From there, if you want to use your, okay, row num, fifth position is this one. From here onwards, it started 1, 2, 3, like it started. That is the reason row num is equals to, I was asked 5, but here row num is equals what? 1. So 1 is equals to 5. Condition true or false? Uh, Understand? So that means what you say? Row num is always starts with the 1 for every selected row. So from which position row are you selected? From there onwards, your row num starts with the 1 only. So that is the reason it doesn't go to take other than row num is equals to 1. Okay. If you selected first row, so row num 1, 1 is equals to 1. Matching. That's why retrieval. But second row, I selected. But from the second row, your row num starts with 1. 1 is equals to 2. Condition. The fifth row, there itself it was started 1. 1 is equals to 5. Condition false. 10th row, from there itself it started 1. So 1 is equals to 10. Condition false. Okay, now, so this is the nature of a row num. That is the reason when user will call row num 2, row num 5 or row num 10, what it was happened, it doesn't show any results. Okay, now, now write down below one note point. Take note. So what is my note point here? Generally, row num, generally row num is always starts with, is always starts with 1. Start with 1 for every, for every selected, for every selected row, for every selected row in a table, for every selected row in a table. Okay. So to overcome, so to overcome, to overcome this problem, to overcome this problem, we must use, we must use the following, must use the following operators. We must use the following operators are, okay, operators are less than, comma, less than or is equals to, less than, comma, less than or is equals to. Okay, na? Right. So generally row num is always starts with the 1 for every selected row in a table. Okay, to overcome this problem we must use a less than comma less than or equals to. So these two operators I need to use when you want to avoid this problem. Okay, so now but here observe. Okay, now let me come out and see to apply here. So row num, suppose I was given less than, I wanted second row num. Second row means how much I want to give? Huh? If I given 2, what happened? Huh? Let me see if I given 2, which row display? First row. Why it is first row display means your first row num is how much? 1. Smith. 2. Ellen. Yes or no? So your condition row num 1. 1 less than or equals to 2. Condition? If you are like that, Nad, my teaching interest also gone here. I don't have interest to teach you like this. Huh? How you people means maybe LKG students I'm teaching. I think so. Nursery students I'm teaching. Huh? Everyone, when I'm asking, give some response here. Dumbly sitting. Any Devadas, girlfriend chod diya tere ko. Otherwise, sir, I have so many family problems, sir. That's why. Life में पूरा my life is बर्बाद हो गया, sir. I wasted my entire life, sir. There is no life for me, sir. I'm a brahmachari, otherwise sannyasi. That's why. Some people are there. They will not give any response. Sannyasi. No reaction, human body. Yes or no? దేశముద్ర సినిమా తెలుగు మూవీ బంగాళదుంపలు తింటున్నారా? No స్పర్శ in body. Give me some response here. When both are talking to each other on the subject, faculty and student, then the class also very good. Atmosphere also change. And your faculty also getting some interest. You're sitting like a sannyasi. What is that use of teaching here? If normal talking, if I started now, everyone talking. Subject wise talking now, no one respond. So I am having a throat problem. So I'm slowly talking. You don't have any problem now? Give response now. Tell me, 1 less than 2. True. Every day, sir, give me some inspired words, sir. So then we are inspiring every day. Then we are responding, sir. I feel genuinely I'm talking what I feel now. I'm teaching to LKG students. I feel like that in your class. I don't know. And this is a 9 o'clock batch. It's a fresh batch. It's not a evening batches, night batches. You all of you just wake up 8:45, 8:50. Directly come to 9 o'clock batch. Yes or no? You're all are wake up 8:45 or 8:50. Few people are 7 o'clock batches, their morning 7 o'clock, they will wake up. Okay, leave it. But who started their batches from 9 o'clock? When you will be wake up in your hostel? 8:55.9. 5 minutes is there. 2 minutes is there. Then finally, hurry burry. Wake up, no bathing, only brushing. Tiffin is there, eating, otherwise coming to class. Yes or no? This is hostel life, na? Student life, na? Yes or no? It's a genuine. Okay. Every student was, maybe few students are having. They will follow certain, strictly, some, what we can say, some systematically they follow. Some students are there, very sincere. Early morning, 6 o'clock, wake up. Either what purpose they wake up, I don't know, but they wake up. That's good habit. Early morning, 6 o'clock, wake up. There's somebody going to walking, jogging. Sir, అలాంటి అలవాట్లు మనకి లేవు. Somebody either walking, jogging, whatever you can do, but automatically some students, sir, early morning 5 or 6, sir, they automatically wake up. Okay, now. So that is a good habit actually. When you wake up 5 and 6, but they are not doing anything. Just wake up. Mobiles are there, chit-chatting mobiles. Otherwise, watching some news channels. Otherwise, somebody interested, they will go to outside and walking. Is there no? That kind of people also there. And they will be very perfect. Morning 7, 8 o'clock only, everything should be complete. Bathing, brushing, everything, dressing, everything neatly, makeup, ready to go. That's a good habit actually. That kind of students also there. Very punctuality. And that kind of student along with us in our room is there. What happened? We are shouting on them. Hey, why are you wake up 5 o'clock here? That slip. Disturbance of. You are disturbing to us. And we are doing wrong, but we are shouting on good people. Yes or no? That kind of, in my hostel, and when I studied MCA, we have 5 people in one room, best friends. One of friend is very sincere. He is a Brahmin. So you know that Brahmins are having some systematical rules. He was early morning 4 o'clock wake up. So we remaining 4 people are sleeping. He was early morning 4 o'clock wake up. Some immediately they will go to some active bath something and started mantra. Some mobiles are there, no? So they will started some they're related something, they will do it, and he will also do puja also in our room, puja, everything. So 4 to 6 all activities are completed. So bathing, everything is over, and when we wake up, room completely devotional rooms. Oh, that means that what we can say, room when we wake up. So initially we irritating that initial, because we don't have that habit. We are waking up 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Okay, but later what happened when examinations came now? Examination time, he was very help us, because he was waking 4 o'clock, and we are saying that, Are Prashant, you will wake up at 4 na, so just go to wake up us. And exactly 4, Sudhakar, Mohan, Prashant, time 4. So then we wake up and reading books. Examination time, that was very helping us. But normal time, we are irritating. Are yaar. So that kind of people are there. The very punctuality people and very good nature, good kind of systematic. Then what happened? MCA 3 years now in our generation. Now 3 years now. So we have a 3 years. So first year, first semester, second semester over. From the second year onwards, we are also wake up 5 o'clock along with him. Okay, because that habit was come to us also. We are also wake up 5 o'clock. We went to some walking, jogging outside atmosphere, and we are come back to 6 o'clock to room, fresh up, and 8 o'clock college. So that habit was we taken from our friend, and we felt like that. If you wake up early morning 5 to 6, and see your brain is very cool, na? That means what we can say, no tensions, nothing, is a free mind. Yes or no? Early morning 6 o'clock open and go to outside and just observe atmosphere and come back to room. The entire day you will have a so much active. Yes or no? And you will feel like this, I have a peace. Okay? But early morning 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock wake up na, how it is? Irritating fellows. Wake up. Brush, brush I have to do, na? Okay, brushing. Bathing, bathing, go to bath. Even though the fellows are wake up 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, but still they're feeling that I want to do bath now. That kind of fellows also there. Hmm? So anything, but once you enter into job, huh? Everybody should wake up 5 o'clock. Then started. Life is started. Early morning, 5 o'clock, wake up, 6 to 7, ready, 7 o'clock. When your office is high-tech city, you are staying in Hamirpet, then early morning, 7 o'clock, you are started your riding, reaching to 9 o'clock there, and 9 to 6 or 7 or 8, work is done. Again started, coming to 10 o'clock. Again early morning, 5 o'clock, wake up. Then started. Huh? What is life? Huh? That is one case of life. After marriage, that is another life. We never see that life. Huh? When we will sleep, we don't know. When we will wake up, we don't know. When we will eating food, we don't know. Everything is a fast, 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 fast. That is one life. After children's, na, another life. When children's are there, na, early morning 4 o'clock, wake up. So we want to wake up 4 o'clock, and we will ready to children's to schools, and we are dropping children's to school, and again come back to our office and doing our office work. Again we'll go to home and manage the children's. That is another life. And final life is come out peaceful life. Senior citizen, happy life. 60 years has came. Our children, sir, they have to, okay, some settle, okay, and we have. But there what happened? Some type of struggles in our old age. Yes or no? Some parents, some children, sir, seeing parents are not. They are not respecting parents. They are avoiding parents. That kind of situation. So finally, Om. That is a peaceful life. हो गया है आज का लाइफ आया कर दिया चला गया. Yes or no? So that is every stage is a different lives we are going to be see it. Okay. And now less than 2, it is not came. Even though I'm using less than or equals to 2, what's happened? 1 plus 2, 1 and 2. 2 rows came. But I wanted which row? Only second row. But here how many rows? 2 rows. So how again? I'm using less than or equals to, but still my problem is not solved. Then how we can solve, sir? Okay, that we will see tomorrow. Okay, no? Right, guys. So thank you so much. So online students, I will interact with you tomorrow. Okay. So online students, I will interact with you tomorrow. Okay. Right, guys. Thank you.